Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the interface of the Plant Protection Assistant app to you. 1. Main interface. After opening the Plant Protection Assistant app, the connection status and whether there is a version that needs to be updated are displayed in the upper left corner. Plot mapping and aircraft operations page displayed in the lower right corner. Click the page button containing plot information, device information, and user information in the small triangle on the right to access the corresponding content. Plot information. It includes a list of plots, auxiliary point plot information, incomplete plot information, prescription map, fruit tree mode plot information, and plots can also be uploaded and downloaded. After uploading the plot to the cloud, the plot should not be lost. Device information. It contains the version information of each module and prompts for updatable versions. The version information of different modules can be updated according to needs. User information. It includes job records and other basic personal information. 2. Mapping of plots. Click on the plot surveying and mapping page to choose between normal mode and auxiliary point mode. Normal mode, you can use the daughter, aircraft, map 3 ways to record operations. Auxiliary point mode, you can use the daughter, aircraft 2 ways to record operation. 3. Aircraft operations. Click on aircraft operations. All flight-related settings are available here. The upper left corner shows the type of operation of the aircraft. The middle on the left is a list of plots, which can be easily filtered or selected according to different job types. The lower left corner is the job parameter setting page. Click on the parameter above to open the job parameter setting page. The upper right corner displays the relevant status information and switches of the aircraft. From left to right, they are radar switch, RTK status, aircraft battery level, remote control battery level, and setting button. From left to right in the upper right corner below are compass lock. After locking, the map position cannot be dragged, and the map will always be centered on the aircraft. Locate the aircraft position. Click to quickly locate the current position of the aircraft. Locate the remote control position. Click to quickly locate the remote control position. The FPV screen is displayed in the lower right corner. Click the upper left corner of the FPV screen to switch between the front and rear cameras. Click the lower right corner of the FPV screen to open the front and rear FPV screens at the same time. The 2 buttons in the lower right corner are the return button and the manual job start button, respectively. Click Settings in the upper right corner to set more parameters of the aircraft. The first column on the left represents the setting types. From top to bottom, they are spraying or spreading settings, flight settings, RTK settings, radar settings, battery settings, app settings, and system settings. Spraying or spraying settings. Settings for all related operations can be performed under this menu. Flight settings. Under this menu, you can set flight-related content, and you can also monitor equipment status information under this category. RTK settings. Under this menu, you can select different data sources to match different operating environments, and you can also monitor location data. Radar settings. You can set the radar under this menu, or monitor the radar status below. Battery settings. Under this menu, you can view the battery status and information, and also control the backup power supply. App settings. Under this menu, you can set the content displayed on the app interface. System settings. Under this menu, you can view information related to aircraft registration, aircraft firmware, app firmware, black box export, offline map operation, etc. The above is all the content of this issue's small classroom. Follow the Topxgun channel for more plant protection skills.